And teachers at the Sandy Bank Basic School in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, have been left shocked and traumatized following the shooting death of an educator. She has been identified as 26-year-old Chanel Smith. It's reported that Miss Smith, who was from the Sandy Bank community, arrived at the school about 7:50. Two men dressed in hooded sweaters and masks were parked at the gate pretending to be repairing their motorcycle. Eyewitnesses say one of the men pulled a firearm and shot Miss Smith as she approached the gate.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear roster man, silent, big up yourself. You know, start from fly out, my lad. Trini boss, big up yourself. Garage boss, big up. 306-876 boss. 647 boss. Country boy, undocumented. Big up the people living in England, Canada, America. I have to big up the people living in Jamaica. Because Jamaica I come from. You understand? And in Jamaica first, me say, country first. Let's move on. Yo, me go on right now. I peer Bollywood, me go cuss up another one. But I like, yo, this shit piss me this piss me off. It really upsets me when I watch a video in front of this. And yo, a couple things jump out to me to bomb in that video, yo. Couple things, jump out for me in that video. Well, like me say, couple things jump out for me when me hear the story and then I watch the news clip which can play in front of the thing, and it's really Jamaica one of the most disgraceful blood clot places. When number one, the people them see two man at the school, where the woman work, I fix a bike, and not even one police. None of the school them in Jamaica have security guard. Yo, when we look on the school, the basic school, it's like you couldn't even tell that one school or the place look broke down and mash up, dog. Bumbo clot. What is the government to do with the infrastructure of the school and those places? Them places that should be top of the line. Yo, you go to some other little Caribbean island, dog, and everything is top of the line, everything is modernized, everything is synchronized with law enforcement to protect the school. You understand? Yo, in any other country, USA, Canada, whatever, you have a school resource officer, which is a police officer. That shit is crazy. No, like I said, a couple things blood clot jump out upon this star. The news report come out now say the ex-boyfriend is a suspect because her father hear her upstairs a ball out one day and the boy up there assault the young lady, dog. If I did all my daughter, would have been shoot a pussy long blood clot time. I tell you that. When the countryman now ask, make a pussy choke my daughter out in a my blood clot house. A dead ya dead, and me don't care how body is body boy. You could have clansman or one done. A dead ya blood clot dead if you choke out my blood clot daughter. I'm gonna understand that the father said him also attacker of the blood clot school, which goes back to show the infrastructure. Yo, me blame that girl there, demise on the blood clot government of Jamaica dog. I know people are going to say another government, but Jamaica are one of the only country, and more on the woman them. I know so enough women don't listen to that program now. My channel, I know that you're fuck. Only like 20%. Enough of them that pale and cocky man there on my listen to that channel there. You understand? But you see the woman them are more in Jamaica. No woman not kill no man like that, you know. And the man them a kill after woman over domestic violence. I mean a year, no uproar, my lord. Pity are dead, woman are dead. Man a blood clot dead. You understand? The man them attack the woman them. You see it with the politician. You see that boy there, Lynch. And the same thing, you know. And the same thing. The man them attack the woman, them kill off the woman. Yo, me know this one place. Actually, me not lie. Me I tell you the truth. Me I tell you the truth. Let's move on and me I tell you the truth. Yo, me I tell you something. Me know a little town in America. And me know about 3 women. We slap down 3 blood clean. But me say 1, 2. Well, me know 2 for sure. We slap down 2 pussy. Them ex-man them. One of them hiding at the house. In the closet. And the girl and him wrestle for the blood clot machine, dad. And she catch it. The boy car, him a beat her, you know. And she and him wrestle for the, me know her personally. Yo, let me tell you how long she's staying at the blood clot station. 1 minute. You hear me? 1 minute. I know this other girl on little town somewhere in America. Same thing, man I beat her. Yo, she fling 2 stab underneath him bum buckle. And she spent a little bit more. She spent like 1 week. She be a road now. I tell the man them when it did happen. Say yo, a girl there go walk. Number 1, you know do them thing they to woman in America. Especially certain place in America, yo. So, me cannot understand why the government of Jamaica not allow teachers and them people there to carry firearm. Especially this young lady has been victimized how many times because the father talk, yo, it depend the Jamaican Star. And you can't read it. You understand? She was terrorized, she was afraid of this guy. And the police them warn him, but a warning alone is not good enough. You understand? This is a disgrace. They have the politician there, right? And they have Lynch. Lynch pulling firearm. You see, politician in my counselor. Me look on the Jamaican website and for the government and I see the boy Lynch pull guns on him, woman and wife. And you have about 10 councillors in the corporation of Montego Bay. You understand? And Lynch are one of them. But them what they can't carry gun, but she as a teacher will finish university because she finished teachers college, which is a university. She don't know. Like, oh, she don't have no degree. She have a blood clot degree. Young, beautiful woman dog. She have the same age as my blood clot daughter. You understand? My daughter the same age. You understand? And she remind me of my daughter. It's a fucking disgrace. Then, like I said, a couple things jump out at me. This pussy. No. We assume the ex-boy. May I tell you, him friend would have really blood clot ride with him. And go blood clot, do them thing there. What kind of careless, dirty blood clot boy them a Jamaica dog? My God, man. Them could have got make them not go a Spanish town. Go kill Klansman them. Or run up in a Huntsville police station, pussy. And that on the fiddle. I bet you can't do that. They can't even tell a politician in Jamaica to fuck off. It's a dead, them dead. No star. I'm gonna say, no uproar. That me are the only blood clot man pissed off. Yo, all of the other blogger them. Oh yeah, this girl died in Jamaica and them. No, pussy. Me I give my opinion. All them boy, you know, they catch them. Fire Squad. Alfred G Square, live on TV. In the Jamaican paper, as a matter of fact, I want to touch on this. Yo, let's move on with the equation. I want to touch on something. Her father, the man is so distraught and saddened by this. The man feel helpless, yo. Me say if I did ever my daughter. But anyways, the father saying in the newspaper, yo, they need to give the man then 50 years for a machine. And him right, them forget that instantly. And second, you must say, boy, the man them for bypass trial and go straight to prison. Me I take it a step further, Firing Squad in a Alfred tree. And the two boys them will do this. The boy and his friend are some of the biggest blood clot coward. I bet you won't even tell a politician to go suck him girl or whatever. You know, never do that. You know, I never tell a politician to go suck him mother. You know, I pussy. You see what I say? And like me tell the people them, I apologize for that one, yeah, because I'm upset about it. And the government of Jamaica, if they really want to fix the problem, then for put $1 trillion investment in our infrastructure and everything, and economic. You understand? Then forget a food stamp program for every picnic in Jamaica. And then every picnic in Jamaica forget a welfare program every month, money. And that them for do. Free education, we need that. If we take the country out of it there, we have to commit to them things for the next 25 years. And that we need to do. When we look at the basic school, we have to say, no, I know school that. That's a shame. Anyways, my name is Countryman, yo. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. And like I said, I apologize for the bad word, but that one that really blood clot pissed me off. It sucks, yo, and the government of Jamaica may have to be upon that one, yeah, straight up. I hope them catch them two boy there. I'm out.